Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for October 20th to November 1st. For October 20th to 24th, this is what we're expecting here. We have a trough here near the Aleutians. We have an upper low down here. We have a ridge over western Canada and the northwest. We have another ridge here across the western Atlantic into Mexico, and we have a trough over eastern Canada and the northeast. During this time frame, I had to rephrase that. Okay, let me see. What do I want here? Okay, we're going to look at the NAO. You can see here it's positive, and that's indicative of these negative height anomalies here across Greenland and Iceland. But later on, as you can see here, the NAO trends negative. And this trend will continue into next week, into the near future. But pretty much this is like the pattern that we're in for right now, as far as we can see. The northwest will experience several days with above normal temperatures, along with dry conditions through the weekend. Rain chances will increase next week as a cold front approaches the coast. The remainder of the nation will experience below normal temperatures, with the core of the coldest air from Texas into the northeast. Coastal Texas will experience heavy rain due to a stalled boundary through the Gulf of Mexico. October 23rd to 27th. Here at the 23rd, this Aleutians trough or upper low, whatever you want to call it, will kind of slide to the south and east. This pushes a ridge further inland. Overall, we still have the same pattern, though. We have our upper ridge over the western Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico, and a trough over the North Atlantic by Greenland into the northeast. Miles of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here. Forecast anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal. And then we have below normal temperatures for much of this region here, with the forecast anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees will be possible. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and then we have above normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Then we take a look at the period for October 28th through November 1st. Here we are at the 28th. The height anomalies remain generally the same. We still have our trough here, ridge, trough. But we start seeing this ridge here over the North Atlantic kind of slide westward, and that's due to the NAO shifting to negative. But overall, we still have the same height anomalies, but they're a little bit weaker compared to they've been to the previous period. So for this forecast, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for the west. Forecast anomalies of 4 degrees above normal, and then we have below normal temperatures here. And the forecast anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees are expected. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 55%. And then we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for October 20th through November 1st. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.